A very chubby cat and a little mouse who live in a house. The cat is so chubby that he can barely fit through the door. He likes to sneak up on the mouse while he's working and try to scare him, but the mouse is always prepared and ends up slapping the cat in the face. At night, they both go to bed, but the cat can't sleep because he's too hungry. He starts eating the cheese that the mouse has been hoarding, and the mouse is so angry that he starts biting the cat's nose. They become friends and start doing dinner together every night. The cat brings home tuna and the mouse brings home cheese. They eat together and then go to bed. The end.